In today's episode, we explore the RFA Fort Grange. So this ship first came into use in 1976. That was its launch date, but it came into service in the 6th of April 1978. So as you can see, it's a beautiful ship. It wasn't used in the Falklands War, and there is rumours about it being used in the Afghan War, but I'm not sure if that's true or not. Anyway, I'll take you inside now so you can see what it's like for yourself. Welcome back to Ship Cables. Today we are on an old ship. This was used in the Falklands War. So there's quite a few people here today. Yeah. Get through here.
Two security now.
To security. Alright. Okay, we're on now. So we'll see how long we can stay on here for.
I need to get my breath back.
Yeah. Yeah. God, this is an explorer and a half, isn't it?
Oh, you're right. I'm fucked.
So now I'm inside this
Can you
boat.
breathe? Is that no far?
So here we go, now we're looking at one of the lifeboats. I think it's a lifeboat.
Lifeboat.
Yeah. Wow. That's alright. Should take you a walk around here before everybody else gets on. This is mad. This is really good.
Wow.
It's an epic explorer.
That
Look at this.
That's where I'm not for.
I don't know how many people this can hold this lifeboat, but it's massive. This is really good. Oh, that's the thing in it. Yeah. So you don't get cold. Stop you from getting frostbite. Look at this. It goes all the way back down this side as well. And that's the seats up there to steer it. See?
8 grand of the boat to steer it up here.
Yeah. That's the steering wheel there. There we go. So I'm just going to put the pause now and I'll get back to you when I'm. So we're now in the actual main office area of the ship. So I'll just show you, look, see all the portholes there, so they would have looked at you out. So I'll give you a view out of here. I managed to get away from everyone now, so it should be a bit more quiet for you. Sorry about all the noise, but look at that, that's the ship. So there's phones there, there's another phone over here. So you can imagine this ship ran from 1978 all the way to last year in 2021, and it's going to Egypt. So it's going to be part of this. It was part of the Royal Navy fleet. A bit of history on the ship. You can see that it was running from, so it took part in the Falklands War, and it says the Afghan War. There isn't enough information on me for me to actually say, oh, that actually was in the Afghan War, but it definitely did go out in the Falklands War. It's used for supplies. It's a supply ship for the Falklands War. So yeah, it's got a lot of history here, but you can see the cabins are beautiful. When I say the cabins, I mean the officers. But yeah, so I'm kind of taking you around the ship from here. Ship staff corridor, tea room, there we go, look at this. Look at this is the tea room now, look at that. So you would have got your drinks and your kettles and stuff like that. Ship staff, so there you go. It really is nice around here. More of the cabins. So all these cabins are locked up. About 4, so there we go. Tells you how much like fresh water they had, all this sort of stuff. All these cabins. Wow, so they've been everywhere here. Printers, coffee makers, some more little fridges. So I hope you're enjoying this explore so far. This is my first on a ship, so I'm quite overwhelmed by it all. So yeah, I've been wanting to do it for ages. This is a vent chamber. Wow, look at that. Keep this door shut. Wow. Yeah, so I'm not going to mess around in there. I don't know anything about vents. I probably won't even open the inside if I get stuck down there. But yeah, I'll give you a little brief tour of that. So, I haven't actually got into any of these offices yet. I'm going to do. So yeah, I hope you are enjoying it though so far. Stairwell B, let's shut there, lobby. Right, try and get into the lobby. So it says lobby. Officer's TV there. This one does open, so. Right, so that's taking you back outside. I don't really want to go there because I'll know where we are. Turn about the other way. There we go. Yes, sorry about the jerkiness and stuff. Right, so nice sound. So we're going back down the staircase. Sorry about the bangs and stuff. Didn't mean to do that. You are here. Gallery. Cruise mess. Just takes him. Here we go. We're going somewhere. We're going somewhere. Not sure where. But first tour of a ship. Oh wow! This is now you can tell this is a ship now. This is what I wanted to see. These big open areas like this. Wow! Look at this. This is a proper nice view. You can imagine, I always remember going on ferries and stuff and you were driving on it and you park your car and you go to France and stuff as a kid. But obviously these are totally different. These are actual naval ships, which you can use for like wartime. But look at all the ropes and stuff. Corrosive chemicals. So much to see. Charging batteries, that's a charging battery station. It's actually in really good condition. I really do like this place. So there we go. That brings us to the end of that one. So that takes you out to the back of the ship. I can show you that if you want. I don't think there's much to see. So as you can see now, I've just opened the door. It said it was empty on it anyway, but I was actually outside. It's not. You're probably under the water actually lying here. Look, you're actually. I don't know if it's the stern or bow, what you call this, but yeah, it goes all the way through. So you can imagine this back in the day. I don't know what I kept in it, but yeah, there isn't much. And that's the hatch up there. So that takes you up onto deck. See what I mean? There you go. It's a trap door, so it stops water and stuff going through. Don't worry, we'll what was it called? Shut all the doors. Look at this. This is a really good explore. It's not very often you get to go on a ship every day. Definitely been my favourite so far. And yeah, went down that side before, so I'm going to try this side now. Oh, there's more explorers down there. As you can see, there's more people down there. It's quite an interesting explore. I don't know how far down it goes. It's a real long. Oh, look at this. From accommodation. Me falling. Female toilets. So there you go. That's the old top. We never have to get the toilets in it. So now we can officially say experience success because I've seen the toilets. If you don't see toilets, it's not classed as a success. Classed as a failed explore, as we all know. But yeah, this is the female toilets. The showers here. The showers look alright actually. Look at that. I don't think they're bad. Alright, I'll take you now back outside. So, you can see it goes all the way down here. This ship. Massive explore. Huge. Oh, there's another door there, so I don't know where that takes you. But I'll follow this all the way down anyway. See what the others have got to. Nice to do a bit of recording on my own and get some peace and quiet. That's a generator outside. So there's actually cameras and stuff here now. That's alright. So yeah, we're by the engine rooms, the bridge. I'm not sure where else it goes. Yeah, it's a really good explore. Oh, that's the gym. So I'm gonna look at that. So much stuff to see and do. So much stuff. It says gym, but that's a gym. That does not look like a gym to me. Right, so, oh, it does actually say gym. I can't believe that is a gym. If that's a gym, what the hell? To me, that is not a gym. Techno gym. Yeah, well, this is a gym. You have to try and imagine it for yourself. I'm struggling to, so I bet you guys are as well. But yeah, that's what it says. It says a gym, so I'm presuming it's one. So seems to be the better part of the ship though down here. Oh yeah, that's where we've been in there.
Been there already.
Alright, I'll get back to you. Let's have a look in here. Oh, here we go. Some more stuff. Bits of like equipment. First aid from electrical shock. This is electrical shock. This is how you pull. So yeah, if someone got electrocuted, you'd pull them off with that hook and then it won't shock you, because if you try and pull them off with your hands, you just get electrocuted yourself. But yeah, I could be on this boat all day. That's how big the Explorer is. It just goes on forever and ever and ever. So we're now back in the hospital part, so just show you where we've come from. Just come through this door here. So that's that main corridor. That's actually at the end of the corridor, the other side, where I just walked. And then that takes you into the hospital bit. There's hospital beds through here as well. Just had a look around. Look at them. All beds and everything there. So it can hold about 6 people, I think. There we go. So these are Ward 26. So I don't know if these are open.
So now you can see the lockers open, so you can see the size for yourself. So it's taller than me, this locker. Now I'll take you back to the main Explorer.
First aid kits, everything there. That's mad. Full on equipment. But yeah, there's lockers, everything, bandages, dresses, all sorts. So they're all here. Look at it. Ward 6, Ward 7, ankle support. Well, so you can actually still look out at the sea from here. I don't know if these lift up now. I think they're all locked, but yeah, they would actually lift up before. Yeah, they're all drilled closed, not shut. But yeah, you would have been alright. So they're not these on top of the beds. Entertainment system program. So you get entertainment while you're in your bed. Look at that. It's amazing. I do like this hospital bit. This is probably my favourite bit so far. I've still got more to look at. Look at the speaker up there for tannoy. Bathrooms here. Let's see if one of these open. That's locked. That one locked as well. Yeah, there's locked toilets. So God knows what there's on that. But hey ho, I'll get back to the next bit. So we're now back recording again. So said before, it says dispenser on there outside the door. Even that's the hospital bit. But yeah, I'm not sure why it says that. It's pretty much we've done everything around here now, so I'll go back out of the door from there, so I haven't missed that yet. I'll have a look at that. No exit air conditioning boundary. So God knows what. So there must be nothing there. So it's got no smoke, but it has a smoking sign saying you can smoke. That makes sense. But I'll have a look and get back to you. Now I'm making my way down to the bottom floor. So I haven't been on this bit yet. So let's see what this takes. This crew bar. Oh, this is actually quite nice. Look at this. Wow, I like this. I'm expecting this. There's a crew bar. Oh, that's the emergency, whatever it is. Escape. Someone's pulled it up. So I'll have a look down there in a bit. I'll just get to take you around the bar first. It's a nice bar actually. Look how it's really big inside here. I mean, this is massive for a bar on a ship. And it's got these little portholes. I reckon we are below water level now. 100% sure, but I think we probably are. So look at that. One last look at the bar. And then I'm just going to take some photos and I'll get back to you when I'm down the bottom of the skater hatch. See you soon. Oh, darts board up there. Just get you that in. So you can be able to play darts here, look at that. Well, this is my favourite bit so far, well apart from, I haven't got to the captain's bit yet. So you can see it now come down the escape hatch. So I'll just show you around here. So it looks like it's all stuff to do with the engine room or pumps or something. I'm not 100% sure. I don't know anything about the ships to be honest. So if you know what it is, feel free to write in the comments. There's a lot here there. Look at it. Yeah, just stop and speak to a few other people. There's more here. There's another escape hatch. So there's an escape hatch at either side of the actual building because it's a big old room that upstairs. And look at that, that's the all the different things for the pumps and the, there we go, seawater pump. Ah, deep freeze, cool room, so there we go. First aid procedure. So I don't know if this opens at all here, because it looks like it might do. Oh. No, it don't, but not much to see through there, look, there you go, look at that. So, not worth me trying to open it. This is what I just tripped over now on the floor, you can see it there. Don't know what they are. Again, storeroom too. So just taking you around. Back, washroom, starboard. So all this stuff you see sealed up. I don't think you can get much lower than what we are now because we've gone down quite a lot of floors. But yeah, I haven't gone into any of the dormitories yet. Hopefully we can find a room which is open. Ah, there you go, look at this. This compartment is below the waterline, so it gives you a warning. So now we are below, officially below the waterline. Oh wow. So it tells you everywhere below the waterline, look at this. Oh, them racks. This is a fridge. Sorry, yeah, I've worked out what this is now. This is actually a fridge. So, is that a fridge or a freezer? Not sure which. There we go. That's pretty cool. I'll see it, show you this one as well. Yeah, look at that. Look at the size of that. Modern ships there. Big old fridge that you can see, just to prove to you, it is actually a freezer or a fridge. I'm not sure which one this one was. Yeah, that's the refrigeration unit up there. So tells you how to get out and stuff, and fridge gas located around the panel. There we go. So I'll get back to you when I get to the next bit. I'm just going to take some photos. See you soon. Here we go. So we're now recording and we're back again. This deep freeze plant, cool room 1, cool room 2. Right, so there we go. So I've shown you the fridges and the freezers. This is 2-person entry. It tells you everywhere. So we have below the waterline. Deeper, deeper below the waterline. There we go. So this looks like we're actually at the far end now, if that's right. I don't know what this is all up here, but I'll have a look for you. Sort of guy in. But yeah, sorry for talking too quietly and a bit rushing in this job, but it's a big explore, as you can imagine. UK Airvex, first time on a ship. So I'll get back to you when I get to somewhere new. See you soon. So we're now at the washroom, port side. So this would have been the toilets and the washroom for the actual accommodation. Oh, you can see showers down here. There we go. I don't know why it was showers on the floor. I think people just pulled them down. I think they were all like that. Look at that. There we go. Really nice explore this. Escape hatch. Because you're below the waterline, you see. Yeah, there you go. Washing powder is concentrated in short supply. There we go. I don't know how all the washing machines are, but yeah. It's a nice little explore this. Cleaning routine checklist. Training after 2011. I should have nipped really up and then I'll be knackered. So that's the only room I've seen which is open down this bit. It's just the here we go. Right, so we're now back again, making our way to the captain's deck. So this is the last bit of the explore. So I'll give you a tour around here, see what it's like for yourself. This is where the captain would have been on the ship. So it's quite a big explore. When I think about how big this ship is, I think it's something like the Titanic, which is like 10 times bigger than this, but yeah. Oh wow, so these are the controls. Look at that. So this is the actual deck here. Let's see if I can get you in this room. This is where we want to be. Here we go, now we're here. This is it, this is the main deck. Here we go, this is the captain's chair. Look at this, where the captain would have sat. So, look at that view. Oh wow, look at that. This is amazing, we're up here. So, that's the captain's chair there. Get the view of the house and just walk around here. There's a dead end down that way. Yeah, and there's like officers' chairs and stuff around there. So these are all the captain's controls. And there's like a display of the ship. Look at that. So I keep saying look at that, don't I? Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So that's the oh, it's a compass. Look. That's amazing. Right. So I'm going to get back to you in a minute. I'm just going to take some photos. So now I'm back with you for the final part of the explore. You can see all the steering wheel there, the controls, the captain's chair. Look at all this. All the phones, people ringing up. If there's problems below, they could see it. That's just, there you go, to change the speed on it, half, full, you name it. You can do all that. So this is probably my favourite bit. It's really nice.
So this is where I'm trying to find the secret room, but end up taking the wrong turn.
Oh, the security now. I think a couple of people have already gone, haven't they? I'm not sure where this goes. Navigation planning suite. That's a toilet. See what controls are missing out of that one. This is a map of Britain there. I'll show you that. There we go. So, not sure where that goes. Let's look it back down here. That's pretty much all of that. So the police are here now, so we'll get out of here soon. Yeah, I'm not sure what's up here. Oh, this is the top deck. So I'll take you up here. There we go. Look at this. I wonder if this is the control. Non-ionizing radiation. So this is like the last bit now I need to do. And we're going. Now it's just a storeroom by the looks of things. A bit boring if that's the case. In there. So, see, it's getting dark now. Oh, that's the machinery room, radiation and stuff. There we go. Show that on the door. There we go. This is the equipment, track vision. Not sure where that goes. Equipment down there. Yeah. See, this is pretty much the end of the Explore. I can't find this secret room, but I'll have a look again and call it a do. Peace out. So we've now come from the bridge. I'm just going to take you to this restricted area. Once I've done this, the Explore's done. And that's it, restricted area, no entry, no entry. There we go. And then look at this. Wow. This is where everything was going on. So you know, this is where they'd be sending off missiles and stuff from here. This is mad. But this is the end of the Explore now. Last bit. So please remember to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And we will obviously see you in the next one. Oh, there you go, look at that. It tells you about what you have to dress for. I always stuff up this, but yeah, I'll just show you this last bit now. I'm getting off. There we go. We've done all daylight anyway, so yeah. There's not much left here to look at. Secret files and stuff. Look at that. That would have been like the radar system. Look at that. That's cool. Right, that's it for the Explore. So remember to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and we will see you next one. Peace out.